In today's video, you will learn how to add a new email account to Microsoft Outlook Web. Managing multiple email accounts in one place can make your digital life much easier, whether you're juggling work, personal emails, or freelance projects. Start by navigating to your Outlook dashboard. Once there, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will see your profile icon, or perhaps just your initials inside a small circle. Clicking this icon opens a drop-down menu right beneath it, revealing several options. Among these choices, look carefully for the one that says Sign in with a different account. This is the option you'll select to begin adding a new email account to your Outlook setup. After clicking this, you'll be prompted to enter the details for your second account. Just like the initial sign-in, type in the email address and follow the steps to input your password. The process is straightforward and should feel familiar. Once you've completed these steps, you've effectively added another layer to your Outlook experience. This setup allows you to alternate between multiple accounts smoothly and efficiently. A useful tip for managing several accounts is to assign different identifiable profile images or colors to each. This makes it much easier to tell them apart at a glance, reducing the chances of sending emails from the wrong account or mixing up messages. Being able to switch between accounts quickly benefits not just your personal convenience, but also helps maintain a steady workflow. Whether you're handling work emails, personal correspondence, or various side projects, having everything organized in one unified space saves time and keeps things running smoothly. Congratulations, you've now successfully added another email account to your Microsoft Outlook web interface. This setup will help you manage your diverse email needs more efficiently. With everything neatly organized and accessible, with just a few clicks, you're ready to tackle whatever your inbox holds. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit us with a like. Thanks for watching.